Jonathan with the Virach HW100 KT. Hold on 2 seconds, I'll just jump in the back of you, see what you're shooting at. Every time hitting it. New target. So quiet. Every single time. Hear the echo of that? Empty.
Right, I will put a thing on it for you, right?